1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is, as you can tell by the title. I am making the garlic spicy Parmesan bowl. So are you ready for it? Y'all been seeing it going around. It's viral. It's viral, right? So I'm going to show you right here an easy breezy way that you can cook it right at your home, in your own kitchen. So let's get to cooking. Okay, what you will need to make this garlic spicy, y'all hear the key word, garlic spicy Parmesan bowl. You will need some chicken that we're going to cook. You will need some shrimp. You will need some sausages, but baby, I got the Texas hot links. Ow! I got the Texas hot links. Cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, Gouda cheese, whatever cheese you got. I got Kobe Jack cheese. Yes! My favorite cheese. Alfredo sauce, garlic, because what is called garlic spicy. Diamond dust, jalapeno peppers, milk, brown sugar to add a little swangy tang, and oil. We're gonna put a little oil, about a capful of oil in the skillet. Yeah. We're gonna add the chicken. Gonna add some diamond dust for seasoning. That's the chicken. Same bowl, good season and flavor. Add one more cap of oil. And then we're gonna cook the shrimps. The diamond dust for seasoning. There's the shrimps and our Texas hot, straight in the pan. No oil for this because these sausages will release some juices and oils. Hot links are cooked. Add just a little flour to make a very small roux. Just a little. I'm gonna add the garlic. Milk. Alfredo, cheese, then about a teaspoon of brown sugar. And that's it. And we're gonna stir, stir, stir. Blend everything together. Simmer for about 5 minutes and it's gonna be ready. We'll be back to build our garlic spicy Parmesan bowl. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I forgot I had to do the eggs, the boiled eggs. Yes, it calls for boiled eggs, and I totally forgot. Let's build, baby. So we're gonna start off. I don't even know what to start out with. Okay, let's do a little chicken. Jalapeno, shrimp, boiled egg, and the Parmesan garlic spicy Parmesan sauce. Yes! Okay, we're gonna sprinkle a little diamond dust. And there you go, the garlic spicy Parmesan bowl. Let's do one more. Okay. And then we're gonna taste, right? So we're gonna do chicken. We're gonna do spicy sausages, taste it hot. We're gonna do some shrimp. We're gonna do some jalapenos. We're gonna do boiled eggs. We're gonna do some and the sauce.
Just cooking. This isn't just cooking. This is entertainment. We laugh, we vibe, we keep it real.
Okay, you guys, we're getting ready to taste the garlic spicy Parmesan bowls. Woo! Let's taste it. They claim you gotta have some ruffled chips. Now, I have done the spicy bowl, the Florida spicy bowl. Y'all seen that recipe? If not, I'm gonna attach it to here. Now we got the garlic spicy bowl. Yeah. So let's try it. Let's try it, y'all. Yeah, they were just sticking their fingers in them. It's like you eating it. This is hand eating. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Let's get some jalapeno. That's good. I want some chicken, some shrimp. Oh, that's some cheese. That's the shrimp. The egg. That's some cheese, y'all. That's good. The sauce is so creamy. Ooh. Seasoned, spicy. You taste the garlic. Yeah, this good. Get a Texas hot link with the jalapeno. Mm. Mm. Mm.